Welcome friends to Andy's English Grammar channel. In my previous video you have seen how to make present, past and present perfect tenses with the verb do. In this video I will show you how to make the passive forms of those tense forms do, did and have done or has done. Students, आप लोगों ने मेरे प्रीवियस वीडियो में देखा किस तरह से डू, डिड और हैव डन, हैज़ डन के डिफरेंट टेंसेस बनाए गए थे. नाउ इस वीडियो में उसी वर्ब फॉर्म के पैसिव फॉर्म कैसे बनाया जाता है उसे मैं दिखाऊंगा. टू मेक एनी वर्ब पैसिव you have to make that verb past participle and put one to be verb of that tense before that. Take the example, the verb do. Now it is in present tense, so I have taken to be verbs am, is, are, because there are three to be verbs in present tense, and the past participle of do is done. So friends, the passive becomes is done, am done, are done. It means three to be verbs, three different passive forms of that verb. Friends, students, आप लोगों ने देखा कि मैंने verb do लिया तो do का past participle लगाया done, और do का तीन do present tense है, इसका तीन to be verbs है am, is, are, और इस तरह से done के आगे is लगाया is done, आर लगाया आर डन, एम लगाया एम डन. क्योंकि तीन टू बी वर्ब्स है इसीलिए तीन अलग अलग पैसिव्स होंगे. सो आई रिपीट, द प्रेजेंट टेंस फॉर डू, टू मेक इट पैसिव you need past participle form of do which is done, and to put one to be verb of that tense, that is am, is, are. So the passives are am done, is done, are done. Similar fashion, the verb is did, which is in past form. Now past participle of did is done and did is in past, so there are two to be verbs in past tense, was, were. Now our passive becomes was done, were done. Students, आप लोगों ने देखा कि did past tense है, उसका past participle done है, और past tense का दो to be verbs हैं was and were, was singular, were plural. इस तरह से did का passive बन जाएगा was done, were done. And again have done or has done. In case of have done and has done, done is past participle. Now perfect tense का passive to be verb है been, so I put been after have or has before done, so the passive becomes has been done, have been done. तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में have done and has done दो फॉर्म्स है. हमारा टू बी वर्ब्स है been, इसलिए हम has के साथ been और verb का pp done, और have के साथ been verb का pp done. इस तरह से has been done और has been done, ये दो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का पैसिव्स. तो इस तरह से आई रिपीट, डू प्रेजेंट टेंस फॉर्म, टू बी वर्ब्स एम, इज, आर. नाउ पैसिव विल बी इज डन, एम डन, आर डन. डिड पास्ट फॉर्म, टू बी वर्ब्स आर was, were, was singular, were plural. So the passives will be was done, were done. Have or has done, present perfect form. The to be verb is been for present perfect. So the passives will be has been done, have been done. Do present form के verb है, present form के तीन to be verbs हैं is, am, are. इस तरह से do का passive होगा is done, am done, are done. Did past tense का है तो past tense का दो to be verbs हैं was, were, was singular, were plural. तो इसका पैसिव होगा was done, were done. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का दो फॉर्म्स है, हैज डन, हैव डन, और परफेक्ट टेंस का टू बी वर्ब है बीन. इस तरह से उसका पैसिव होगा हैज बीन डन, हैव बीन डन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इस तरह से तीन वर्ब का पैसिव्स तीनों टेंस में मैंने दिखाया. आप इस फॉर्म के आगे अगर आप सब्जेक्ट और पीछे ऑब्जेक्ट लगा देंगे एप्रोप्रिएट, तो वो पूरा टेंस बन जाएगा. So the passive is the form of the verb, and when this passive form is used in a tense, so we have to make certain changes. Thank you.